TFNN. Headline News Update. Good morning, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is a 9 o'clock update. Currently, we have all equity futures are trading to the upside. Dow equity futures are up 80 points. S&P are up 9.5. NASDAQ up 16, and the Russell 2000 up 8. If we take a look at overseas markets, all the major indices closing up about 0.5%. The Shanghai was up about 14 points. That's about nearly 0.5%. Hang Seng up 175 points, nearly 0.7%. Nikkei up 113.5%. S&P 200 in Australia closing up 0.5% as well. Overseas in Europe right now, you've got the DAX trading up 51 points, 0.5%, and the FTSE is flat. Gold has just turned slightly green. It's rejected the bottom of a TAS daily profile. Take a quick peek at that. And silver is off 4 pennies. Light sweet crude is down $1, and Treasuries, the 30-year note, is up 8 ticks. So if we take a look at what's going on inside the markets from a short-term standpoint, we've got the markets trying to identify a short-term top. Now, the reason why I say that is I just take a look at Stevie's dials here. Stevie's dials, these are my market analyzer tools that give me a feel for what's going on for multiple time frames. In this case here, we're looking for the 30-minute, hourly, 2-hour, and 5-hour time frames. You'll see in the 30-minute and 1-hour time frame, the ES, NQ, the Dow, YM each have topping signals. Those topping signals are what we refer to as the Rhodes Momentum Indicator out here. Now, in order for a top, all that a top means is that it's going to go ahead and push price down to support. That's just normal. The question is what happens at support. So on a 30-minute basis here for the ES Mini, price must close below 29.7550 in order to suggest that we're going to see lower price. Now, lower price would be 29.37 inside the ES Mini. Until that takes place, that's just a warning signal, almost kind of like a hurricane warning signal out there. Now, with regard to gold specifically, I had mentioned that if we take a quick peek at gold out here, oh, come on, Stevie, let's get to it. Gold contract, what you're going to see is that price needs to close below 1508.40. That's the bottom of its daily TAS market profile. If you see it close below that, what gold is signaling is a change in trend. This is Steve Rhodes. Stay tuned. I'm going to fill in for Larry Pesavento in just a few moments, and we'll continue to look at these charts. Otherwise, have a terrific Friday, fantastic weekend. We'll see you soon.